Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Zodiac Signs Moon, your space for clarity, connection, and cosmic insight. Today's reading is a universal Libra tarot message, timeless and divinely guided, all about what's coming next in love and life. If you've been wondering, is something shifting, or what's my next chapter? You've landed on this reading for a reason. This message is for Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, or if you simply felt drawn here. Trust that there's something in this for you. Energy check-in. Let's begin by checking in on your current energy, Libra. Card 1. The Empress. You've been giving a lot, maybe even too much, without receiving the same in return. This card tells me there's a sense of burnout or emotional depletion. Some of you may be nurturing others while neglecting your own needs. Card 2. The Hermit. You're seeking peace, solitude, clarity. Maybe you've withdrawn from the noise, from love, or even from decision-making. That's okay. Your soul is craving truth, not noise. Card 3. Page of Swords. You're curious, watching, maybe even overthinking. Libra, your beautiful mind wants answers, but Spirit says, don't just look, feel. So now, let's ask the cards. What's coming in love? Let's see what the universe is bringing your way in love, whether you're single, in a connection, or in separation. Card 1. The Lovers. A divine connection is coming into focus. For some of you, this is a soulmate or twin flame style energy, something intense, mutual, magnetic. But it's also a card of choice. You'll soon have to decide between head and heart. Card 2. Five of Swords. Past conflict or miscommunication is finally softening. Whether you're healing from a breakup or working things out with someone, peace is being restored. Old wounds are losing power. Card 3. Knight of Cups. Someone is coming forward, emotionally open, possibly romantic. If you're single, this could be a water sign or someone artistic, gentle, and emotionally aware. If you're already connected, this is someone opening up more deeply. Card 4. The Star. This is beautiful, Libra. Hope is being restored. You're entering a time of renewal, healing, and emotional alignment. Some of you are even calling in new love by just being your authentic self. Pause, 10 seconds, breathe into that. Let your heart believe that love doesn't have to hurt to be real. What's coming in life? Purpose. Now let's explore your broader path, life, purpose, and alignment. Card 1. Queen of Swords. Your clarity is sharpening, Libra. This is your energy, analytical, discerning, and wise. You're cutting out distractions and setting clear boundaries. A big decision is ahead, possibly career-related. Card 2. Eight of Pentacles. You're building something. This card shows focused effort, mastery, and long-term reward. Whether it's a business, a skill, or your spiritual path, keep going. You're on the right track. Card 3. Judgment. Huge inner awakening. Many of you are hearing the call to your higher self. You may feel pulled toward healing work, creative expression, or serving others in a deeper way. Card 4. The Fool. A fresh start is coming, maybe in career, location, or lifestyle. You're being asked to take a leap of faith. Trust the unknown. It's leading you somewhere magical, universal guidance. Let's wrap this reading with a few oracle messages and closing guidance from Spirit. First, you are exactly where you need to be. Stop doubting the process, Libra. You're not behind. You're in a divine unfolding. Second, your intuition is your power. That feeling you've been ignoring, it's your compass. Start trusting it again. Third, something better is coming. Let go of anything that feels forced. The universe is replacing it with something aligned. Libra, your next chapter is about balance, not just in relationships, but between giving and receiving, logic and intuition, self and soul. Love is softening. Purpose is calling. And most importantly, you are rising. If this message resonated, comment below with, I claim this Libra energy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a message from the universe. We're all in this cosmic dance together. And Zodiac Signs Moon is your guide along the way. Until next time, stay balanced, stay bold, stay you.